So, let's get started. Let's get to the fun and interesting part. I'm gonna first start off by trying to make you understand that there was an advanced civilization here in the past, which nobody in the so-called education system told you about. In mainstream history class, we are told that the ancient civilizations were uneducated and dumbass cavemen who like to hit each other with sticks, right? What if I said that couldn't be further from the truth? What if the mainstream history class were specifically designed to hide something from us? Something very important. A truth that reveals the whole fraudulent education system of the modern day alone. We are about to dive deep into the rabbit hole of a past advanced civilization, so buckle up. The evidence of their existence is all around us. The crazy part is how it was only hidden by words of lies. I'm gonna keep showing you pictures here of some buildings while I speak. But not just any kind of buildings. You will see that many of these buildings have a repeated architecture, and we can find them all across this realm. The United States, Europe, Little Norway, Africa, the Middle East, Russia, Japan, Australia. You get it, everywhere. And for that to be possible, all the civilizations across this realm at that time had to know each other and communicate with each other, right? But have you ever thought the thought that it could have been just one civilization everywhere? That's right, a civilization so huge, so well established and advanced that they built their buildings everywhere. And they were not just buildings. I believe them to be machines and electrical devices. Try to pay attention to the domes, spires, towers, columns, etc. of these buildings. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. Shh. If you look at a city from a bird's eye view and compare them with a circuit board on a computer, it looks identical. Identical. Here, let me show you. This is a city. This is a circuit board. This is another city. This is many circuit boards put together. Do you see it? Here's another one, just to make sure. Circuit board. City. Crazy, right? Previously, I mentioned that I believe these buildings to be machines and electrical components. When you look at the patterns of this universe with an open mind, you'll start to notice that everything looks electric. The human body, leaves, sea creatures, trees, and rivers, just to give some examples. Do these patterns mean that this universe and/or realm is all made up by electricity? Just think about it. Every living thing needs water and energy to be able to live. Energy. Here's a few quotes from Nikola Tesla, who mysteriously were removed from mainstream education systems. If you don't know who it is, I suggest you to look him up. It shouldn't be difficult. Quote 1. If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Quote 2. The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in 1 decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence. Quote 3. Earth is a realm, it is not a planet. It is not an object, therefore it has no edge. Earth would be more easily defined as a system environment. Earth is also a machine. It is a Tesla coil. The sun and moon are powered wirelessly with the electromagnetic field, the ether. This field also suspends the celestial spheres with electromagnetic levitation. Electromagnetic levitation disproves gravity because the only force you need to counter is the electromagnetic force, not gravity. Though free to think and act, we are held together like stars in the firmament.